Hey guys, today I am going to the Burj Khalifa. Today.
Together with mommy and daddy?
Yep. Together with my mom and dad.
Hi guys.
Hi.
As you guys know, I'm in Dubai, and if you didn't know that, well, now you do.
See, we are there, right there. You can see it this side.
You can see it through this. You can see it through the cheese grater, all right, guys? I'm not sure if you saw that. Maybe like now you can see it. Maybe, I don't know. I'm recording it like a face view.
Burj Khalifa, yeah, just for the tourists, you know. Yeah. Yeah, we did.
At the top, right?
I'm sorry?
At the top? Have a ticket?
No.
At the top?
Not yet.
I can drop off here.
Okay.
So we just gonna walk through.
Actually, you need to go at the top. I can drop off the Dubai Mall entrance.
Burj Khalifa, guys. I got no seatbelt on. I'll move over to this side so I can get like better
You can
views.
stop your recording. No need enough. We're coming down anyway.
Is this good or?
No, it's not good.
No, yeah.
Are you going at the top, right? 124 floors?
Mm-hmm.
I can drop off the entrance.
Okay.
Actually, I can drop off here. You can go inside the mall and go at the top. Otherwise, don't have any entrance.
Oh.
They have only hotel entrance and residential.
Burj Khalifa. We're gonna go onto a floor that's like over 100. Floor over 100. Yeah, we're gonna go on floor over 100. That's not what it's called. I don't know what the floor is. Dubai Mall with Dallas and Gambia, Rolex, Gucci, and Hermit Crab.
Rolex, I see Prada.
Prada.
Right there.
Yeah, Prada there too.
They're Prada, not our Prada. No. Bottega, Veneta. Imagine if it's only rich people. How we can
into a garage or something.
Yeah, the park.
Basement.
Yeah.
I'm heading into the basement. I am one with the darkness. Okay, guys. In every Burj Khalifa video, there has to be a boring part, so. Hey guys, look at this. Look at the
What is
roof.
that? Yeah. There's a store.
I believe it. Actually, no. Look at all of those stars.
At the top.
I'm looking into the starry night.
We are in Burj Khalifa.
We are in Burj Khalifa.
Yeah. We are going there.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Ah,
Okay,
easy.
thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
The door is open.
Right here.
Guys, we are heading in.
Take a picture. Burj Khalifa there.
Burj Khalifa. Yes, I'm being onto there. Yeah, there. Mom's taking photos. Oh, at the top.
You want this side? Check right here.
I have a dead photo.
Check it.
Oh.
Other thing. You talk to
Wait, I got a good photo idea. I'm like over here and I'm pretending to be a photo. It's gonna be me. I'm gonna be like,
All right, I see. Look. Good?
okay, show that image. Show that image. I look like I'm staring out into the night. Yeah. How about you show that to Dad?
All right. Internet, so we can look. Where are we going?
There's number. I'm in the Burj Khalifa shop. We're 9 minutes and 30 seconds.
It's like we're a little
You don't
backwards.
know
It looks
that?
like this is where you
That's
come
like
out.
a Tagalog or something. Yeah. So just saying thank you and welcome. Yes, I know. No. No. Yes, I know.
Chocolate.
It's gold. Guys, in my Dubai apartment, I have Monopoly like this.
Yeah.
The Dubai, I got like Dubai Poly. Yeah. Not sponsored.
This way?
Yeah, oh yeah. Here, we can have line. Right there. We start on that side.
Okay, we're buying the tickets. I just fell. I went like, ooh.
Sorry, bud.
Oh, there's the basket here. Why this is? Oh no. I don't think the basket by this yesterday.
I saw McDonald's yesterday.
Yeah,
I
I'm sure there's more than one though.
Of
Yeah.
course, yeah, it's big and all.
Yeah.
think. Now that's the same McDonald's.
It might be.
Yeah.
Yeah, McDonald's over there.
Look the gallery where it's good.
We're gonna go at the top.
Huh?
We're going at the top of the Burj Khalifa.
Yes, we are.
Part one is just gonna be us going in the
Part 2 will be where we parachute off. Ready to parachute?
Yeah. Prohibited items include lighters, electronic cigarettes, sharp objects, laptop, food, strollers, umbrellas, and also skibbity toilet syndrome.
Probably we're early. Because
2:30?
yeah.
Part two is the part when we're actually on the Khalifa. Part one is just gonna be the elevator, the tickets, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Maybe, yep.
You can turn it off so your battery. Then
I can turn on the brightness.
There, that's a big.
There.
Yeah.
good. And you will that casual.
You know what? How do you think it's on?
Would you rather want to wear would you rather want to wear something? Would you rather want to wear something that looks very amazing but super uncomfortable, or something that looks
Comfortable, whatever. I
That
don't care how it looks.
yeah.
Don't have, you're gonna buy it.
Oh, no.
What are we waiting for? We're at the end of the line, right?
The three of us.
The top level is fast track, including some refreshments. We get a basic one, that's just the basic configuration. So the top level is 154 and 148, and the basic one is 124. The prices for each person is 769,
What's inside the basic one?
It's just the basic observation. Just the V. Good. Level 124, 125.
The very top?
And the top level is a fast track, including the refreshments. Level 154 and 148. 154 you can visit 6 levels. There's a finger buffet, which is like refreshments kind of. Level 148 there's like Arabic refreshments. Those are the levels of this places.
So, this is for me. 7, 6. You want to do that?
Sure.
It's the same price for the kid? I thought they are there.
This one we have 2 options in 154. We have option with the aquarium as well. If you want to add the aquarium, if you're planning
Oh,
to
we
go
did
to
the aquarium
you did.
yesterday.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yesterday.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, now you tell us.
Yeah.
We could have got a discount package deal.
We didn't know
That
that.
could be
Boy.
like a combo tickets in the deal.
Combo. We did it yesterday.
So 3 tickets for level 154.
Yes.
You will go now, yes?
Yes.
Give them my card.
Yes.
Yeah, I think you're gonna hire YouTube. You're getting a ticket. Just doing a little YouTube.
Yeah.
We just put on the app.
So visit 6 levels. Fast track. There's a finger buffet which is a refreshment. It's all complimentary. And there is an open terrace and level 152. Don't forget to do it.
You can stop by in all of them.
Keep coming down.
I like the birch cage.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Yay. Couch. I love it. We are here. Oh, you gotta wait here? Oh, we're here.
Okay, this is for you. We don't need it. Take one, ma'am. Take one. For you. Please have a seat. You want any juice, coffee, sweet?
Do you want to try some sweets while we wait? You want? Do you have some juice? What? Go ahead. We are going to the top.
You want
I'm good, thank you.
Bad juice.
Mm-hmm.
And
And they have a complimentary sweets. That's
Yeah.
dates. Is it good?
This turned from going to the Burj Khalifa to a food review very fast.
Yeah.
I'd say this is maybe a 7. Flower thing.
Hmm?
Look over there.
Yeah, careful your drink. I don't want you to spill it.
Can you hold it together? Can you have it together? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Hey guys. Saki, look at.
This one was
Yeah.
maybe like a 5.5.
Yeah, try it.
I'm using just nose.
Hmm.
Yeah, 5.5.
5.5? What about the other one? It's a
Haven't
date.
tried it. This is a date.
Mm-hmm. It's a fruit, like a... What do you give that one?
This is good.
Maybe like a 6.3.
6.3. And how about your drink? What do you give that?
7.
7.
You gonna
Okay.
eat that? The dates?
You can eat it? Okay.
I'm full, so.
Yeah, I had a big breakfast. I ate all mine except the eggs without... Careful. Eggs without
You need
salt.
to hold it, that one. Yeah. Hey, 2 hard-boiled eggs this morning.
Yeah.
I thought he want 1, so I opened 2.
Open 2 of what?
I'm just gonna picture.
Yo guys, so this is Sky Lounge. See everybody through this window thing. It's like a secret room because everybody's standing near the door, I guess. It opens. Open sesame.
You said open sesame.
You have a match?
I didn't even have to look at it. This is the lounge. This is a diamond. There's some seats with plants, I guess, over there. And also the open sesame only works when you're close. Open sesame. How did that work?
Yes, Baba. Drink. There you go. You sit this side so they can see you. You want me to hold it?
10,000, 100,000 elephants.
Alright, your
We got
sweets.
this one in the middle.
Yeah.
Mom, show the camera to the plant, please. Plant. That big plant in the middle, look at that. I can't point at it.
You want to read an interesting
And right
fact?
here.
Okay.
Read an interesting fact there.
One of the interesting fact.
Got it? You can see there.
Each chicken has a fact on there so you can read it.
What's this number?
100,000. 100,000 elephants.
100,000 elephants.
Yeah.
If weighted, the total amount of concrete used in the construction of the Burj Khalifa would be the weight of of about 10,000 elephants.
100,000.
100,000. 10,000.
I would have thought more, actually. I mean, I'm sure 100,000 elephants weighs a lot, but it's a big building.
Luxury. Guys, it says luxury. It's just backwards in the camera because that's how camera is working. I think. That's a nice.
Is it the same box?
No, each one gets a spider.
What?
Get
Oh,
one?
yes.
My spider lily.
Spider lily.
There you go.
Okay. Inspired by Spider Lily, Burj Khalifa, designed and body, the lyrical and well proportionated structure of a nini or spider lily, original desert flower that was inspired by that inspired architect Adrian Smith's vision of the iconic tower, I guess. Does this one have decor?
Yep.
Steel rebar. Steel rebar. The amount of steel rebar used for the tower is 31,400 metric tons. Weighed end to end. This would extend over of the way around the world.
You read it all?
Yeah, I read it all.
Wow.
Wow.
I eat the dates. I like dates. Finish it. This one. You can have one there. One? Another day? If you want some juice, you can ask for more juice. Yep, it's pretty. Try.
I realize that he moved inside.
That's dates inside. Careful.
That's dates. That's dates inside.
They're good.
Six.